Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to deactivate your Messenger account. So first start by opening your Messenger account. Then simply tap on the menu icon at the very end. And after that simply tap on your settings. Now at your account there is the account center option. Just press on the account center. And then finally there is a manage account at the end. Simply tap on manage account. Now here you'll find the list of all of the accounts signed on this device, and if you want to edit each, simply tap on manage, and there you have it. You'll have the option move out of this account center, deactivation or deletion, and memorialization option. If you want to delete or deactivate, simply tap on the second one. And from here you can easily switch between deactivate account if your account is temporarily deactivated. But if you want to permanently delete, simply tap on delete account, and here is written, when you delete the account, your main profile and everything else including your Facebook account will be permanently deleted, and you won't be able to retrieve anything that you have added. All additional profiles, Messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. So select that best suits your condition. We can always toggle between both of these, and if you are sure, simply tap on continue. And finally tap on continue, and it will ask you some feedback region why you were deleting. You can always switch between what is your region, or you can just tap on I no longer find Facebook useful, and when you finally press on continue, your account will be finally deleted permanently. And that's it guys. In this way you'll easily be able to delete your account, and if you just want to deactivate, simply head back and tap on deactivate and follow the same steps and tap on continue, and you'll be asked to enter your password because it is just for temporary reasons deactivation. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.